Hi, welcome to East Coast Travel on YouTube. This is not a cooking show and no recipe here, just show you how the street food look like. This one is one of strange and scary food from Southeast Asian countries. Right now I'm here in Phnom Penh, the capital of the Cambodia, and they are common food you can find all over Southeast Asia. The Philippines, in the Philippines they call it balat. I think balat or balut egg. It's like normally they use the chicken egg. The the chicken inside grow up, but still soft and and, and it's not hashed out. So they use that to cook, and the result is this one. It's like if you open up, you can see a shape of chicken developing inside the egg, and this one considered delicacy in many Southeast countries. But in this case, it's quite special because what you see now is the quail egg. It's from the quail bird, some kind of bird, and they're raised in farm like this one. It's a quail egg, the bird egg, and it's it's grow up inside, and they put it in batter and fry up in the wok and serve like this one. So it's not a meatball or just fried egg. It's the ballot egg, it, chicken egg, whatever. It looks scary. It sounds scary. The taste is it's like something between cheese and other stuff. You see, there's you can see some shape of bird developing inside. Looks scary, but it's the taste is okay. Actually, nothing against it, but I just not used to this, so I I enjoy it for maybe 1 or 2 gigs. But forgive me, please call me. It tastes okay, no problem with that. Everything look good, but I just can't used to it. That's the way. But many people don't dare to try that. I think some people try that and love it. So if you have a chance to be in many countries, try this one. And the quail egg is much easier to chew than the big chicken egg, I tell you. Thanks for watching. It's for Travel on YouTube. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.